fix these, friends. They are a little beaten up, we'll say, and the straps are coming out. Unfortunately, my regular practice pair of heels actually broke. We're going to take these older shoes that I quit wearing because they were about to break. We're gonna try and help them relive. And I bought fur. I bought this lavender fur from the store. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna glue the straps, and I'm gonna make a beautiful fur boots shoes. I got the fur idea when I was walking around because of those cool rave girl cyber fur boots that are always in neon colors. Why am I trying to stop? Put these down. Let's do this because I need to do something. Let's get started! So to reinforce the ankle straps that are coming a little bit loose, make me a little nervy, I am using some super glue. That's all I know to use. That's gonna get down in that crack. Some thin, liquidy super glue. Squirt that down in that crack and hope she holds. And if she doesn't, hopefully they snap while I'm not being on the pole and I'm just on the ground, not break the ankles. To put the fur on the shoes, I'm just using super glue because they're my shoes. If I was doing these shoes for someone else, I would not use super glue, but for myself, I'm going to use super glue because I want to test out how it works with this type of weird fabric. So yeah. I finished the shoes, just a little sneak peek there. I finished them. Halfway through, I was like, ooh, I don't know if these are it. Did I ruin the shoe? But I think they turned out pretty good. So I'm gonna put them on my doggy woggies and I'm gonna give you the reveal. Mwah.